Welcome back. Thunderstorms become pretty common as we continue into the fall months here in central Texas. And with that comes thunder, sometimes hail and bright flashes of, I love it, lightning. But have you ever wondered how lightning occurs? Well, Fox 44's meteorologist Haley Fitzpatrick explains in this week's WeatherWise.
Lightning is by far one of the coolest weather features you can see in a storm system, or at least one of my favorites. But what's even cooler is being able to understand the dynamics behind how lightning works. Now, before a storm forms, of course, you need an adequate amount of warm, moist air to rise, in which all of that warm air reaches a certain level in the atmosphere where a thundercloud forms. Now, inside the cloud is made up of ice particles and water droplets, which collide with one another. As these particles collide and hit against one another, positive and negative electrical charges are transferred between each collision due to the friction of rubbing particles against one another. These positively and negatively charged particles start to become more organized inside the cloud. The updraft of the storm carries the positive charges to the top of the cloud because they are much lighter in weight, and the heavier negative charged particles fall to the base of the cloud. Now, the cloud itself essentially is like a giant battery now. Positive charges at the top and negative charges at the bottom. As the negative charges sit at the bottom of the cloud, the electrons at the surface are repelled. And we all know that opposites attract, so this leaves the ground with a positive charge. Now, the flashes of light you see in the cloud are actually caused from the energy between the cloud's negative and positive charges. However, the negative charges at the bottom of the cloud are also attracted to whatever strong positive charges they can find at the surface, like the trees in this example. This is when we see big flashes of lightning, because the base of the cloud has connected with a positive charge here at the surface, which sometimes that connecting charge can be trees, buildings, skyscrapers, anything that is high up in the sky. Remember, there's no safe place during a thunderstorm. If you hear thunder, lightning is close enough to strike you at your location. And when you do hear thunder, immediately move indoors for at least 30 minutes after you hear the last sound of thunder. Now, as always, if you have any questions about lightning or weather-related questions, you can find me on Facebook, Twitter, or email at hfitzpatrick@kwkt.com.